Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply coupon on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your Etsy app over here, and then from over here you're gonna be tapping on this little cart icon at the bottom right. Once you have done that, make sure you have added the product that you would like to buy on the cart, and so make sure to add in the exact amount of product for you to use your coupon on. Otherwise you might have to pay extra as well if it does not pay for full. Then tap on proceed to checkout. Now over here you can see I have already added an address. You can tap on ship here, otherwise you can tap on plus and add in the detail of your address. Once you're done, tap on save and you're good to go. Since I already have one, I'm going to tap on the ship here. I'm going to choose a payment method. It can be anything. So since we would like to apply coupon, we're going to go into the option of redeem a gift card or Etsy credit. Then I'm going to be adding the coupon that you have received. Coupon code, simply go ahead, add it over here. Tap on apply. Make sure the code is correct, and then the coupon will be applied to your product, and the remaining amount you might have to pay with something else. Otherwise, if it's full, there you go. Your checkout has been done. Your order will be placed and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. It's a very easy method. So hope it helped, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.